being a Supersports project, it was based on the current Continental GT, as you would know. So it quickly went into a rendering competition because we had to know where the bumper cut lines are and what we can change. So we started with a good rendering and sketched over it and have a more realistic view. You know, you can exaggerate the car quite a lot in a sketch. With, you know, just a white paper and a sketch, you can exaggerate it, and at the end it doesn't work and you have to go back. So this kind of project, you have to start with a quite realistic approach, I guess. So that was slightly different from a full project, but yeah, that's how it went for the Supersports. A small company like Bentley Motors, there's not a lot of designers and resources, so it's quite a very compact team. So after your selection of your theme, you're pretty much on your own to go to the engineering meetings and also do a lot of other stuff that you weren't supposed to do almost. If you were in somewhere like VW or Audi or even General Motors, you would have a dedicated team for such things as like under the engine covers and engine cover letterings, but you have to do it all by yourself. First I thought this is strange, but as you go along I felt that you get so much more kind of attached and much more love into your project. But I guess if it was a full model change, proper big project, yeah, you do get a little bit of support from your colleagues.